finally we removed the timing cover off and the timing chain order to replace the cam or need to check the cam. But first we open the valve cover only, and we found, if you can see, you see here, there is a wear, sign of wear. Also here you see the sign of wear here. So we decide to replace the cam. So guys, here you see this is also wear out. Guys, this is brand new cam, intercom, if you can see, looking fine. And this cam we removed from the engine, so it looks repaired to me. Someone is trying to repair this cam before. If you see the color, okay, I think they replaced this front visor also, and you see the wear. This and look at here, I don't know why they did that, see, but the new one don't have this holes in the back side, only in front, but this one have holes that side. So guys, the new cam is here. I ordered this from Germany. You can see how clean it is. So here, this is the new one. So we checked the oil pressure already. It's receiving the good oil pressure from each side. Okay, there is no blockage. Oil is coming, flowing very fine. So we checked also the valve lifters, all that things. Everything is looking fine. Nothing wrong in this car. Only this cam is wear out, so that's why it's losing 5 to 10 psi oil. So hopefully after replacing this, the car will go fine. So guys, finally we're done with the engine. Camshaft is installed, everything is secured properly. The engine is running very fine, there is no issue at all. So it's running almost more than an hour. So I'm going to hook up a scanner now and we'll show you from inside. We replaced the camshaft and car is running more than 60 minutes. So it's now fully warm up. You can see the temperature. Okay, now I'm going to check the oil pressure. What is this? Okay, so here I go in system list. I enter in engine electronics. Okay, so read data stream. Okay, here I type oil pressure. So let's see, guys. Oh, so here, after replacing the camshaft, you can see the oil pressure switch for low pressure is closed because he's getting good oil pressure from oil pump. no problem at all. Car is like running more than an hour. So before, what's happening after maybe 10 to 15 minutes, once it's warm up completely, this mode is goes to open, and while driving we got EPC light, as I explained you previously. So I will share you the data as well while driving, because that's important, the piston cooling jets, because at idle we cannot compare piston cooling jets. Okay guys, that's the piston cooling jet command, and this command is from this signal is coming from oil pressure sensor 3, the green color sensor located in oil pressure gallery, piston cooling jet gallery. Very nice. So let me test drive this car outside. While driving I will share you with you guys the live data, and hopefully we fix the problem. So guys, I'm ready for a test drive now. Car is fully warm up. It's again we run like more than 1 hour. So look at that, oil pressure is close. It's it's getting good oil pressure from the oil pump, and it's giving a close signal to the ECU. And here we come, scroll down, this is engine RPM right now. You can see here, before at that RPM this valve is showing open, low pressure oil switch for low pressure is showing open, so it's not getting good oil pressure. Now it's at idle, it's working absolutely fine. So this is the piston cooling jet command, and this command is for, this is the signal for the oil pressure sensor 3. Now there is no pressure in the piston cooling jet oil gallery because system is closed by the ECM. So while driving, once I raise the RPM to 1500 and my speed is about to 50 km per hour, so the engine the ECM will open the cooling jet valve, and they build the pressure in the line. If there is a good pressure, so this switch should be closed, and both open at same time, and both open at close at same time. Okay, you see now it's off, the valve open, and piston oil pressure sensor 3 is closed because he's getting good oil pressure from the system, and my RPM is 1500. Yeah, see the RPM still close. Yep, we are working fine. If you guys notice that the cooling jet and sensor 3, they working together now. Yeah, see, it's showing off, switch is showing closed. Now I'm leaving the RPM. Here guys, I leave my gas pedal now. Now RPM is dropping. See, it's still showing closed. It means there is a good oil pressure, and it's working perfectly fine. So guys, previously I shared the data of once the car have oil pressure issue. At that time, once I leave the gas pedal at 1500 or 2000 rpm, immediately this oil pressure sensor 3 status changed to open position, and once I hold the rpm again, it's changed to close position again. So in that period, as I told you in the beginning, once computer open the piston cooling jet valve, this should go off, okay, and once the rpm drop less than 1000, then it's on again from the ECM, okay. In that gap, this remain open because there is no oil pressure, and computer think maybe there is a problem with the oil pressure sensor. That's why he detect the fault codes, and that's why the previous guys, they are confused, okay. So now I drove the car around, it's working very fine, and hopefully this is okay. But sometime the case is different, but I seen many time in this car that tuned from agency or from third party outside tuned cars especially, they make this problem, and mostly I seen the intake camshaft is start wear out. That's the issue with these cars. So this car is fixed already. So as in the beginning I told you, there is a two type of failure of this sensor. First is this one, we face the problem and now we solve this issue. And second one, if you guys like, just hit me a comment down, so I will make a video for this one also, so I can explain to you guys what is the second type of failure. And maybe other cars, they have some different issues, but in this car I found the camshaft is wear out, so need to be check like carefully, then we can decide what parts we need to replace. This car even go to Volkswagen, but they said they are going to replace the whole engine. They are not agreed to even check the car, you know. So anyway guys, maybe this video will help you out. So if there is anything, you can write a comment down. Thank you.